You Can Picture It is a creative approach to improving reading comprehension by helping students visualize what they read. You Can Picture It teacher guides are available in fiction, nonfiction, and poetry. Students read a selection, create visual images in their minds, draw those pictures on paper, summarize the selection, and create a title and cover art. They then create books that they can reread and share with others. Each reading selection is divided into 4 segments, allowing students to practice sequencing skills as well. Each book contains reproducible stories, nonfiction articles, or poems for reading levels 1 through 5. Selections in the nonfiction book are about interesting places in America, making them a perfect complement to lessons on geography or culture. Each book contains 25 to 30 reproducible selections, along with instructions and assessment rubrics. Learn more about You Can Picture It and our other materials at dgppublishing.com.